Hey, it's Debbie, and I wanted to talk a little bit about the advanced shadow workshop I'm running. So our shadows represent those hidden parts of us, those parts that are unexpressed or blocking or challenging, whether it's repeating patterns happening, whether it's a worth issue, whether it's something that, feels like an obstacle in getting what we want in terms of our dreams or goals or desires. And usually we have one or two really main shadows in this lifetime. So a couple that kind of trip us up regularly. So if the mind could have figured out how to fix this problem, it would have. So our limited programmable mind is fantastic for many things, but if it was going to figure out how to sort this shadow out, it would have done probably a long time ago. So we have to find different ways through to deal with shadow. And one of the best ways I found is to do symbolic journeying, which I call shamanic journeying. And that is bypassing the logical and the rational mind and finding a deeper level of insights and healing through some sort of symbolic meditative journey. Hence why we designed the shamanic journey for shadow. And what this does is it means that you can take in one of those challenging shadows that you have on your timeline and really delve and get more insights and answers. So this class falls into three parts. The first part is really a little bit of timeline reflection, which you do prior to the live class, which is more about, hey, what's going on? What are the key shadows in your timeline? And then the live journey actually takes that in and works its magic through the symbolic healing process. And then, of course, there's a bit of post-reflection around how you enact and do the law of commitment by doing some of your own accountability processes to back up what you've done in the class. So that's what the class is about. I hope to see you there. It's a very profound and deep journey all about you. And I spent most of my life being a bit of a metaphysical detective of trying to unlock and help people figure out what are those little catching points in your system and in your field that are really preventing you from feeling happy, joyful, peaceful, blissful, whatever it is that you're seeking. I hope to see you there.